Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to configure call time setting in Custom VICIdial. To begin, open the DialerKing website and click on Live Demo. Our live demo include 10 different custom VICIdial theme. For this demo, I will be using theme number 2. Enter the provided user ID and password. Then click Login to access the admin dashboard. After login, we are ready to configure the call time setting. Log into your custom VICIdial admin panel. From the left navigation menu, click Admin, then select Call Times. Here you will notice that the system already includes server default call time configuration. However, if these don't match your business requirement, you can easily create a new one. Add a new call time. Enter a unique call time ID. For this example, we will use 3355. Next, enter a call time name such as DialerKing hours. Next, entering the details and click Submit. Now it's time to configure your business hour. Set the default starting time 9 o'clock am and set the default stop time 9 o'clock pm. This default hour will apply unless you specify different schedule for specific days. Now let's customize the schedule for each days. For Sunday, we will keep the contact center closed by setting both the start and stop time to 24 hours. For Monday through Friday, we will allow calling from 9 o'clock am to 9 o'clock pm. For Saturday, we will use a different schedule by setting the starting time to 10 am and stop time to 4 pm. This gives your campaign a customized weekly calling schedule. If your campaign call customer in different states, Custom VICIdial also allow you define state specific call times. You can select predefined states and apply different calling hour based on your local rules or business requirements. For example, you may allow call in one state after 10 am, while another state may follow a different schedule. This feature helps maintain compliance with calling rules. Next, go to the campaign. Open the campaign where you want to apply this schedule. Click Detail View. Locate the Local Time option. From the drop-down list, select the newly created 3355 call time. Finally, click Submit to save the campaign setting. That's it. You have successfully created and assigned a custom call time schedule in Custom VICIdial. The same call time configuration can also be applied to inbound campaign, inbound groups, outbound campaign, or anywhere schedule control is required. If you want your customers to remain available all day, simply configure a 24-hour schedule. Thanks for watching.